Let me show you VisualSP for Viva Connections. I'm running Viva Connections here. As you can see, it calls out my company name, VisualSP, and Viva. Now, when you come here as an employee, you see the Intranet, which is a regular SharePoint communication site. Down here at the bottom right is the VisualSP tab. In here, there are all sorts of resources that are available for Contoso employees. One of these things is a tour of the intranet. Let me show you how this would look if it came up automatically. So if I'm here and I came up to this site for the first time, here's what would happen. A walkthrough like this has greeted me, letting me know that I'm on the Contoso intranet, which happens to be within Teams, obviously, and it's going to give me a tour. So next, showing me that if I'm a site admin, I can change and customize the header, the logo. It's even giving me a action button over here, customize site info. If I clicked on that, I would see exactly how I would do it. Okay, all within Teams. Now, if I click on next, scrolls down a little bit and shows me the news section of this page. Next, it's pointing out now the recent documents. Great. Next. And if I have any questions, I can go ahead and contact support. If I did click on this contact support, it would start up Outlook in this case automatically and have the email for support@contoso.com. Every single thing here is customizable. So let me click on done over here. The intranet tour, which is this one, if I wanted to customize this, I would obviously as an admin, click on enable edit mode, go into this intranet walkthrough, and then walkthrough builder is where I can take the steps that I have, and each of these steps can be moved around easily, can be customized easily. And all you got to do is reselect elements on the page where you want to point to. You can change the information very quickly. Let me select a different component of the page, for example. So I'll go up here and say, instead of this one, which is selected, we could pick a different element, okay, like this one. So it would point here. Okay, that's how easy it is to go ahead and change this walkthrough. Now, in addition to the walkthroughs like the one that just showed up here, in the same Contoso tab here, the VisualSP tab, I have all these other resources which are available for employees, such as submitting feedback, create a ticket. Let me click on submit feedback. So if they want to submit feedback, they click on this. They can submit information here, even paste a screenshot, click on feedback, and you would get the email as a support resource. Okay, and also additional banners and other kind of help items can be put upon this page. So I have this banner here about COVID-19 resources that just came up on top. Imagine if this came up automatically when an employee first came to their intranet homepage, giving them some very important information in terms of an announcement banner, which cannot be missed. In this case, it's bright pink, but obviously the actual banner could be customized to be whatever you want it to be right here. In addition to banners and walkthroughs, which are the two that I showed, there's videos, rich HTML, all kinds of different help resources that you can configure. And those are the ones that are configured and shown here, all these different resources. You can take any of these off, you can put new ones in. A lot of the resources like that come along with VisualSP for Viva Connections, and you can customize or create your own as needed.